So you want to use your Ledger hardware wallet with the Phantom Wallet interface for enhanced security. I got you! For crypto users in the USA and globally, securing assets with a hardware wallet like Ledger is a top priority, and connecting it to Phantom gives you both safety and ease of use. First, ensure your Ledger device is initialized. Ledger Live is installed on your computer, and the correct app for the blockchain you want to use, say Solana or Ethereum, is installed on your Ledger via Ledger Live Manager. Then open the Phantom browser extension. Click the menu, usually top left. Select Add Connect Wallet, then choose Connect Hardware Wallet. Select Ledger and follow the on-screen prompts. Your Ledger device must be plugged into your computer unlocked and have the relevant crypto app open. Phantom will then detect accounts on your Ledger. Select the account or accounts you wish to add to Phantom. Now, any transactions involving these Ledger-protected accounts will require confirmation on your physical Ledger device, offering robust security. And that's it.